Hello, my name is Anzal. Today I will be presenting my artificial intelligence. I am 11 years old. I live in Tangerang, Indonesia. I like to coding with Scratch, App Inventor, and Tinker. Right now I started offline learning, or you could say go to school. But I'm started to worry to get infected by the COVID-19. We just haven't been able to receive the vaccine yet. Tests to detect COVID such as antigen detector, PCR, NAT, and other are not always accurate and take a long time. Also, it's painful for us kids, children. So my solution is Kofite. Kofite is a smartwatch, an app. So the app also can be used for another watch. Kofite uses AI to identify COVID-19 symptoms. Kofite has a feature that gives you notification. Kofite also has a dial feature, so you can call somebody with that watch. So if you use the Kofite watch, you can get the full features such as GPS, voice recognition, and temperature sensor. But if you only use the app, you will get fewer features such as GPS and voice recognition. But you can still input the temperature through the app manually. Yeah, you have to check it by yourself. Kofite identify COVID-19 symptoms in two ways. The first is through sensor such as voice recognition for sneezing and temperature sensor. The second way is through a quick check with 4 questions. Yeah, that contains 4 questions about the COVID-19 symptoms. Kofite gives notification through text and sound to give the condition of the user, quick check, advice, and emergency call. Kofite identification result can be integrated into emergency call features and call the user family or friends. It can be set by the user. So here's what the watch will look like. Here's the front part, where there is the speaker and the voice recognition. And here's the back part, where there is the temperature sensor. And here's what the app in the watch will look like. Yeah, I just use a random name for the watch. Yeah, it has speaker and voice recognition. But the temperature, as you can see, you have to feel it by yourself. So here's my 5 big ideas for Kofite. How does the Kofite work in terms of the algorithm? So let's talk about it. The sensor will detect the sound of sneezing and or temperature. If the user sneezes over 3 times in a row, the AI will give a notification. Or if the user were detected over 36 degrees Celsius, the AI will also give a notification. After that, the user has to do a quick check about COVID-19 symptoms. If the yes answer is more than 1, then the AI will give the user notification that the user has some COVID-19 symptoms. The AI still gives a notification that the user has to go to rest. The user will get the choices to have an emergency call. If the user chooses yes, the AI will automatically call the user family. Now it's time for the demo. The first one, I used Scratch platform.
James, you're in bad condition.
You
Let's do this quick check. James, please answer this quick check honestly. It's for your own healthy.
If the answer of yes is more than 1, the AI will give the user the notification that the user has one of the COVID-19 symptoms. Okay, let's try.
James, looks like you have some of the COVID-19 symptoms. James, do you want to call your mom to pick you up?
Yeah, if the call yes, will be. So let's continue. We will use the audio model. Test this teachable machine I have made by myself. Yeah. That work. The sneeze boy or girl is rising up. Means good. And then is all that I want to say. Thank you.